channel, Pierce Family Wellness. This month we're talking all about fascia. So we're really trying to open up places where your fascia might be a little tighter. This week we're going to talk about the pecs. All that rounding we talked about last month on kyphosis, well, here's a way to open it up. Great for people that are in the office, do any kind of sitting, gamers, office workers, people like that. This is for you. So make sure that you're following us on Instagram. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Click subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to be the first to find out about our latest content, make sure that you hit the notification bell. Let's get started. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do a Swiss ball stretch for the pec major.
And why are we doing that?
We're going to do that to help with any of the posture where you're rolled forward on your shoulder or where you're pulled sideways at your neck.
Nice.
Begin by putting your hand on the Swiss ball and make sure the ball is a little more on the wrist so that you're able to spread the fingers, bend the wrist backwards. We're going to try to externally rotate your humerus, so your big arm bone, you're going to try to rotate that backwards. At the same time, you're going to try to squeeze your shoulder blades together. From there, you're going to turn your head away from the arm that you're stretching and try to put pressure down towards the floor all across your pec. Your pec is going to have attachments on your sternum, on your clavicle, and into a couple of your ribs that are up a little higher. You want to make sure that you're breathing through your belly, trying to keep your abdominals relaxed, your back flat, and get the best stretch that you can. Remembering that the pec's main job is to pull your arm straight across your body. That is why we fix one end of the arm and twist the body away.